Our biggest goal here in the track shop is to try to turn the machines, get them in, get them out, so the customer can get back in operation.
Something that's really special about our track shop is the options that we provide for our customers. It doesn't always require buying a new part or a new set of tracks or replacing the entire undercarriage. Just like anything else, we try and give them as many options as we can, keep it affordable, and get them back to work.
We have multiple undercarriage packages that we can use to service our customers' needs. We'll service all types of tracks, all makes and models. We can do just about anything. And we turn pins and bushings every day here. Along with turning pins and bushing, we also do link replacements. In other words, the link assemblies, or the rails as we call it, are wore out, and then we turn around and then we replace them with new. And we have those parts on hand so we can expedite or turn it around quickly.
A convenient option that we provide for our customers today is a recondition and exchange idler program, where we would take failed or worn out idlers, recondition them to like new specification, and get the customer back to work as quickly as possible.
One of the biggest things is when we bring a machine in for undercarriage, we want to make sure that there's no surprises when he receives a bill once the machine is completed.
We strive to keep the customer as informed as possible. When their machine is in the shop or their undercarriage is in the shop, we're giving them updates along the way, and as soon as that's completed, we're contacting them so they can get back to work.
Our technicians here have been here many, many years, and they do an outstanding job. One of the other things that's important is turnaround time. We have 3 facilities that do this type of work. If I can't get it done, I can send it to one of those, and they'll get it done for us. There's a reason why customers call us. We're here to take care of them.